Arrive in style with this Ram 2019 3500 Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are bright white clear coat, chrome appearance group included, bright rear bumper chrome grille surround matte black mesh with chrome grille bright front bumper, spray and bed liner, rear wheelhouse liners, LED bed lighting, diesel gray black HD vinyl 40/20/40 split bench seat, transmission, 6-speed automatic Eisen AS69 RCHD included, 12.0 inches single rear wheel axle urethane shift knob transmission oil cooler, Tradesman level 1 equipment group included, remote keyless entry satin chrome interior door handles and gross vehicle weight, 14,000 lbs. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let